Hello everyone, my name is Anna and I am a fitness trainer. This is the first video on this channel and today I wanted to show you a set of the exercise on the buttocks and I have what to show and tell you. Let's start! Now I'm going to very beautiful place. I already wanted to show it to you. It's really a very perfect place for outdoor trade. So let's start. Okay, I have been trained since I was 16 years old. During this time, I tried a lot of exercise on myself, and I have what to show and tell you. Okay, let's start.
For the next exercise, we need a fitness band like this. Take the starting position. Legs in the wide stance, bend at the knees. Take a leading position and lifting the bone up. Squeeze the buttocks and perform the exercise again. The next exercise, we killed a crane. The starting position is a one leg. We bend forward, lifting the other legs together with the body, and repeat several times. Then we do the bead thrust. Fix the rivet band under the foot. Take the angel sitting position and lowering the shins to middle. Stretch the buttocks. Oh, yes. At the top position, you can squeeze the buttocks for better work. And for the last exercise, we will need addition weights. I use regular leg curls. We put them on the start, reforming swings. Okay, starting position. Standing on your knees and on your palms. Sink your legs. Pull your feet up. Pull your toe on you.
Now I'm at home and I hope you like it, the set of exercise. And that's all. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.